everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Jeannie Ellis, and I'm also known as Scrapbooking Memo. And today I want to do a reveal video that I got from Dill Harbor, who's sponsoring this product today. So I've already torn open this part here, but I want to get this open here to show you what I've got. All the goodies that I get to make with. Now this is a jewelry kit that I wanted to use, and of course there's a lot of things that you can make with jewelry. And I've got some elastic wire, regular wire, I've got some little clasps and some silver beads, and then I've got all of these beads, and these are from Souarts, I think I'm saying that right. That's Souarts through Dill Harbor. So I've got a lot of beads to work with. So anyway, this is what I'm going to be working with and what I will be sharing with you. Once I get some jewelry made, I'll make a video of what I've done. So stay tuned for more. Bye for now.